Hi guys, we're going to be now looking at day 2, activity 2. In this activity, make sure you see that this says type your name. Hello, my name is. You're not going to type here. This is just a picture. You're going to click here where it says your answer and type your name. That will give you 1 point towards this little quiz later, so make sure you do type your name in the blank. Then if we scroll down, we see that we're going to be working on the passage Life in My Village. So when we go back to our classroom, make sure you are scrolling down after what is a community. We're now going to be looking at Life in My Village. So I'm going to read this to you and help guide you through the first couple of questions on your quiz, and then I'm going to let you take over and show us and your other reading teachers what you know. So let's start by looking at the title. Everybody circle or find the title with your cursor or finger. The title is Life in My Village. Already I'm thinking, what is this story going to be about? And if you want to take the time to pause and tell someone at home, I think it's going to be about someone's life and he or she may live in a village. So let's read to find out. Paragraph 1. My name is Mahi. I am a Cheyenne Indian. I live with my family on the plains. We work hard in my village, but we also have fun. Each morning before the sun rises, people in my village build a fire. Then women walk to the stream to collect water. They use the water to make the morning meal. After our morning meal, a man called the crier circles our village on a horse. So far, we found out he lives in a village. His name is Mahi, and he lives with his family, and they work hard, and they also have fun. So now we found out about this guy that's called the crier, and he goes in circles around the village on a horse. I wonder what he does. Let's see. He makes announcements. We all gather to hear the day's news. So right now I'm thinking, they have a man who comes to them to give them announcements. At school, our announcements happen over that big intercom. This happens by word of mouth. Paragraph 3. After cleaning up from our morning meal, the children play games and swim. The women leave camp to gather sticks and roots. They tie the sticks into bundles and carry them back to camp on their backs. Wow, right now I'm thinking, that's hard work. The children clean up the meal and play games, but the women leave to gather sticks and roots, and then they have to carry them on their backs. Paragraph 4. We live in teepees made of buffalo hides. I know that a buffalo is an animal, right? I hope you were thinking animal as well. So they live in these things called teepees made of buffalo hides. We can put them up or take them down quickly. The teepees are our homes. Because we follow the buffalo herds, we move often. So they follow this animal called the buffalo. We can pack up our entire village in 1 hour. Wow! What? They can pack up their entire village in just 1 hour? That is like the time one little part of reading class. Dogs or horses help pull all our belongings into our teepees, including our teepees, on big sleds. When we hunt buffalo, both men and women help. So, although they follow these buffalo, they also hunt them. To hunt means to kill, right? Both the men and women help. The women chase the buffalo toward the men. The men use their bows and arrows to kill the buffalo. As evening falls, everyone gets ready for the evening meal. We eat, dance, tell stories, and play music. Then everyone goes to sleep. We know tomorrow will be another busy day. And I finally got to this picture. What do you think this picture might be of? Sorry, my cat. Say hi. So I'm thinking that this picture here is a picture of their, what was that? Their teepee. That's their teepee. That's where they live. It looks like there's a little entrance here and they tie it up so that things can't get inside. Wow. So right now I'm going ahead and thinking, what is the main idea of this passage? What was this passage all about? It wasn't just about buffalo. It wasn't just about a boy. So what was the author trying to teach us about Mahi and his village? Whoa, didn't mean to move myself. All right, so I'm going to be looking here, but you can also find these questions here. I'll do this, that works. So this says part A. That means this question is going to have two parts. There's going to be a part A and a part B. So part A, what is the main idea of life in my village? I hope you're already thinking about what this story was all about. So we need to come up with our brain answer before we read our answer choices. We want our brain answer to match one of these choices here. So think about your brain answer. I've got my brain answer. Let's see. People in the village work hard but also have fun. Is this true? Does it talk about how much work they do, but they also can have time to enjoy different things? Let's see. We work hard in my village, but we also have fun. Yeah. After cleaning up our morning meal, they clean up before they play. The women work hard carrying those sticks. They hunt buffalo. And then they eat, dance, tell stories, and play music. So I see that that is going to be things that are fun. And then we know tomorrow will be another busy day. So that shows that they are hardworking, but they also can have fun. Let's see. People in the village work hard, but also have fun. If you have a book or you want to think, I think that's a good answer so far. Should I read the next three? Yes, we should. All right. B, people in the village build a fire each morning. Now, let's think. Was that whole story about building a fire in the morning? I hope you're shaking your head no. No. We would need to cross this answer out because it's not about building a fire in the mornings. C, the people live in teepees made of buffalo hides. Do the people live in teepees made of buffalo hides? Yes, they do. We can go back and see. We live in teepees made of buffalo hides. Is that true? Yes, it is. Is it the main idea? Is it what the story is all about? Did we learn all about teepees? I'm thinking no. Last one. Women in the village make the morning meal. Do the people in the village make the morning meal? Let's go back and see. The women walk to the stream to collect water. They use the water to make the morning meal. So who's making the morning meal? The women. So, is this statement true? Women in the village make the morning meal? Yes, but is it what the story was all about? Is it the story's main idea, what the author wanted us to learn and know about Mahi and his village? I don't think so either. So go ahead and pick your best choice here. Now let's read part B. Which sentence from the passage best supports your answer in part A? So now I need to excuse him. So what I need to do now is see which detail here supports my main idea. So I'm looking for a supporting detail, one that fits with people in the village work hard but also have fun. That's the one we liked the most. Let's see. After our morning meal, a man called the Crier circles our village on a horse. Does that support the village working hard and also having fun? I hope you said no, not really. It's talking about the man, the crier, circling the village. That's him working. That's his job. So is it telling us that he has fun? Not that detail. B. After cleaning up from our morning meal, the children play games and swim. Okay, here, what are they doing after they clean up from their morning meal? What are they doing here? When I think of cleaning up, I think that that's work. I don't always like to clean. So does that fit with they work hard? Yes. The children play games and swim, but also have fun. Do you think games and swimming, are they fun? I think so. So I would put my thinking dot, and I think this is a good answer so far. Do I need to read the next two? Yes, I do. Let's see. Because we follow the buffalo herds, we move often. Does that have anything to do with working hard and having fun? I think packing up a village and moving the whole village, I think that would be hard work. But would that be fun? D. When we hunt buffalo, both men and women help. We already talked about when people hunt buffalo, that's probably kind of a hard task, hard work. Is it telling us about them having fun? Remember, it has to support our entire main idea. Go ahead and pick the one you are thinking is the best answer. All right, I'm going to let you do these two on your own. What is the main idea of paragraph 5? That means we're going to be flipping back to our text and rereading what paragraph? Paragraph 5. It's the one that starts with when we hunt buffalo. After you pick your main idea, you're going to do one more question on this text that says, what details tell why the Cheyenne felt their teepees made good homes? So I need to tell a reason why their homes are good. All right, now it says, now do living in the clouds on your own. So you're going to do what we just did by yourself. Go back to your text. Scroll. And we're going to be reading Living in the Clouds. I'm already wondering, what could this story be about? I'm excited to find out. After reading your story, it's a little long. If you need help from a peer or person at home, they may help read with you. Then we're going to go back to our quiz and answer the main idea. Here we have a part A and a part B question. And then 2 more questions. Oh, 3, sorry. After you're finished clicking an answer for each question, click submit. I can't wait to see how you do. See ya!